Hi again, this is Rebecca Hoffman with scenario number 2 for crucial conversation scenarios. So, in the second scenario, was a whirlwind of emotions. At the beginning, I thought the meeting led by the principal was smooth sailing and with many teachers contributing to the shared pool of meaning. However, it was quickly made clear that not everyone was on the same page regarding the push to improve academics in the areas of math, reading, and writing. A quote from page 18 aligns with the dialogue of the scenario. It states, ironically, the more critical the conversation, the less likely we're able to handle it well. When we fail a crucial conversation, every aspect of our lives can be affected. I think this is to be true about the situation. The crucial conversation that the two teachers had is affecting their careers, communities, relationships, and personal health, even if they don't realize it. In Chapter 6, Learn to Look, it was discussed the differences between fight, violence, and flight, silence. The two teachers in this scenario were doing both in this behind closed door conversation. The teachers were attacking and labeling, as well as avoiding the crucial conversation that should be had with others. The principal must make this whole situation safe before it gets out of hand with the gossip. He has mutual purpose and mutual respect for his staff. As a principal, it is up to him to decide how he wants to move forward with the information he has just accidentally overheard. The teachers in this scenario have good intent. It is evident that they care about their students' education and want the best for them. In this scenario, if I were the teachers, I would have stepped back and hopefully recognized the fact that gossiping was not going to get me or my coworker anywhere. Gossiping is not productive and can in return hurt someone and their feelings. The author's quote in Chapter 9, Explore Other Paths, states, people who know better stop this dangerous cycle by stepping out of the information and making it safe for the other person to talk about his or her path of action. In this situation, it is important to retrace the path to its origin of feeling. We can use inquiry skills to understand our emotions better. We can think about when, how, and what, as stated on page 195 of our emotions and attitude. The two teachers mean well, but their feelings are getting the best of them.